I'm here today at the flower event space for the Aloha Brunch and Fete event. So it's my first event of its kind, and I want you to come along. Yeah. Thank you so much. Get late. All right. Oh, I love our table. Oh, this is so cute. All right, guys, so I got the chicken and waffles. There's two there. And Alms, what did you get, Alms? The pepper shrimp?
Yep.
Benedict. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one each and share it and try it. All right, we'll do first bite.
My only thing is a little, like, it's not as hot.
A little spicy. All right, guys, I'm gonna try the pepper shrimp Benedict. First bite of this. I'm gonna take a piece of shrimp. I like it, but just like Alm said, cold. So if it was cold when she had it first, imagine how much colder it is for me. That's good. Alma got the dragon fruit martini.
Blushing dragon.
Blushing dragon. Okay, Alms, take your first sip and tell me how it is.
All right. Oh yeah, so much better
She likes
than
it.
my other one.
Awesome. Okay, guys, so here's a different view of the event space. Lots of space, and the aesthetics is absolutely beautiful. I love the flowers. I love the pink. So if you guys are interested in any of their events, make sure you do visit www.thewildflowersocial.com. Until my next vlog, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.